So I finally got my engine here in my little garage space, or my storage space, if you will. But anyways, it's here now finally. I get to do all my fab work to my car. I already cut the front end off just to kind of freshen it up and kind of make it nice and pretty for this season. Just kind of wanted to make little clips here and there, more so for myself to look back on, and maybe if I do something that somebody else wants to do, they can maybe find some information or inspiration in my videos, hopefully. I don't know, but kind of just wanted to kind of record this stuff for myself because I've always wanted to do this. Maybe there's something that somebody likes and they can ask me a question about it. It's going to be fully built SR G25 550, whole bunch of little special Mazurk parts, a stance pulley, a little Z32 transmission going in here, doing the tube front. Damn, my arm looks hella long. Full exhaust. I got all the material down there. New intercooler piping. I shortened my intercooler. A whole bunch of like little fabrication stuff I'm gonna try to record and just kind of keep track of as it goes on until it's done and running. And then towards the end, it'll be a dyno video and hopefully some track events. So it's been about 2 hours. Not a whole lot has changed by this picture, but I went ahead, stitch welded both towers. The rest of the car has already been stitch welded through the whole chassis maybe 3 years ago. Can't really see anything. It's just a mess in here, but maybe you can see like in that corner back there. But anyways, so I've been waiting to pull all this apart and redo the tube front, or the front end, because I wanted to stitch the front end to match the rear. So this is all done on both sides. I'm gonna wait to pull this afterwards before paint to do the back corner here. I also went ahead and plugged a lot of holes that I'm not gonna be using here. So once it gets painted, it's gonna be flush and just pretty sleek looking, hopefully. I forgot my engine mounts at home, go figure. So I'm gonna have to go back before I can even test fit this thing. So it's been some time now. I kind of started on the tube front already. Have about half of it done already. I just finished this plate for the intercooler mount. Put some dimples in it. Getting ready to clean it up and TIG weld it on, so it's a little more low profile welds. I got these braces in that kind of follow the contour of the wheel well. Once I'm done with everything in the bay, I'm pulling it all back out to paint it. Before I paint it though, I'm gonna add kind of like a half tub that'll probably come out to here. So it's gonna cover this. Hopefully some more rigidity, I'm hoping. Guess we won't really know. But yeah, just figured I'd give an update. I don't really have much time to do like time lapses of my work and stuff because I'm really just trying to bust it out. But yeah, it's turning out pretty good, I feel like. I'm trying to keep it symmetrical. So everything's all centered up. Intercooler's gonna be mounted directly to this. And then I have marks for the hood pins. They're also gonna mount to this. And make a quick little radiator bracket. And then the headlight mounts. After that, the tube front will pretty much be done. And I'll move on to plumbing, the intercooler, piping, and making the full exhaust. So yeah, I'll probably catch back in once The tube front's pretty much done, and I got all the gusset work done, and moving on to the intercooler piping. I'll check back in with you guys.